Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube logo in Canva. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So as you can see, if you open YouTube Studio and go to customization in the left side of the screen, open the profile section, here you will see picture. So basically this is your icon on YouTube, your profile picture, and as you can see it says that recommended to use a picture that at least 98 to 98 pixels and 4 megabytes or less, PNG or GIF, and basically that is the main requirements for this YouTube logo. Now if we go to Canva, open canva.com, here we can start creating our YouTube logo. So first of all, we need to open the home page, log into our account, and click on create a design button right here in the top left corner. Here you will see this type of interface, and now we'll need to start creating our logo. So simply click on logo right here, and it will automatically redirect you to the blank page where you can start creating your logo. So as you can see here, automatically open some templates. If you scroll them down, you can find some interesting templates if you want. So for example, yeah, there are some cool templates, but if you see the little crown next to the template, it means they are for premium users of Canva, so you can't use them on the free version. If you don't like or you want to make the logo from the scratch, I'll show you how to do that. So first of all, click on the blank space, and first of all, I'll change the color of the background color. To change the background color, simply I need to click on this background color button right here, and I'll have these options here. So for example, I will go with some gradient. As you can see, my channel is in space thematic, so I'll go with some space colors. For example, something like that or that. Yeah, I will leave it like that. So when you are done with your background color, you can go and add some text or elements. I'll first of all go with the text. So simply click on the text button in the left side menu and click on add a text box. And here you can start typing your channel name, for example. In my case, it would be Cosmo Pete, because this is the name of my channel. I can make this text bigger, and of course I can change the font of this text because this font looks awful. So simply go to the click on the Canvas Sans right here and choose the font that you like. I'll just simply choose some random font that looks a little bit better than the default one. I'll go with the intro font. So simply I'll resize it and place it somewhere right here. I don't like the color of these text, so I'll change the text color as well. So I need to simply click on the text color right here, and I can choose the text color I want. So I'll go with the white one. I can also go to the effects here and add some halo effect if I want. If I want, I can add some shadow, something like that. And as you can see, now it looks a little bit better, something like that. Outline or without outline. I will go with the shadow. So it looks like this, pretty good. I'll place it in the middle. Here it is. Now the main thing in our profile picture is the element that characterizes our channel. So in my case it would be planet. So I'll need to click on the elements in the left side menu, and here I can search for some elements. So in my case it would be planet. So simply type planet, and it will show you a bunch of available planets. So if you go to graphics, click on the see all, you will see every single available planet. I'll choose the planets without crown because they are free to use. So for example, I will go with this Saturn. It looks good and minimalistic, so I'll add it right here. Or basically I can moreover add some more planets. So for example, Saturn will be here, and this astronaut would like flying in front of Saturn, something like that. Yeah, I can make it bigger. The astronaut would be bigger than Saturn, something like that, and Saturn in the background would look like this. Basically, we are done with the icon. If you want to move something in the front, you need to click on the item you want to move to the front, then right click on it, go to layer, and click on bring to front. It will make this element overlap other elements on your project. Basically, now we can just simply play with the elements, add some more of them. So for example, these stars, I can add them also if you want, somewhere in the corner, something like that. You can add some rockets, everything you like. And basically, that is it. That is how we can make a YouTube logo. Now we need to download it. So how we can download this logo? So simply go to share button in the top right corner. And here you need to click on the download button right here. Choose the file type. In my case, it would be PNG, and then click on download. As you can see, it is downloading right now. And we can save it right here. Now, if we go back to the YouTube, we can click on the change button to start changing our profile picture. Click on the profile picture that we just made, and then click done. And as you can see, now we have our profile picture, and to publish all the changes, we need to click on the publish button in the top right corner, and our profile picture on the YouTube will be changed. And basically that is it. That is how we can make YouTube logo in Canva. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.